Angled rear and front fillers are integral parts for completing a corner in an outdoor kitchen. In an L-shaped kitchen with an under-counter appliance in a corner, a box column, angled front filler, and a support column with the corresponding panel system must be included. This configuration offers the required countertop support and creates an attachment point to the ORS. Begin by partially inserting 3 screws into the box column, or OBX, towards the back on the side facing the support column, which is one of the components included in the angled rear filler, or OAR. Then, partially insert 3 screws into the outer holes on both sides of the support column. Partially insert 3 screws into the outer holes of the perpendicular cabinet on the side towards the back. Line up one panel with the screws on the cabinet and support column and drop it into place. Check to see if the panel is level. If it's not, adjust the OBX leg until it is. Tighten the 6 screws so that the panel is secure. Line up the second panel with the screws on the support column and OBX and drop it in place. Again, check to see if the panel is level and make necessary adjustments to the OBX leg until it is. Tighten the 6 screws to secure the panel in place. One side of the angled front filler, or OAF, goes over the front of the OBX to conceal the gap. In order to do this, partially insert 2 screws into the front side of the OBX and partially insert 2 screws into the front side of the perpendicular cabinet. Line up the OAF with the screws you just inserted and drop it in place. Then, tighten the 4 screws. The installed angled rear and front fillers now create a 90 or 45 degree corner that contributes to a cohesive design.